Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well, and today I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can get anyone's location and their webcam just like anyone on planet. I'm sorry. So let's just continue. I know videos need album. I'm working on a very big project for now, and first you have to get clone that repo and then just go inside the folder, then you will see a bash file. You can see there's a CamPhish.sh, then bash that file and select Cloudflare tunnel. Then it will ask you for what kind of holiday you are on, or different type of wishes. I will just click Happy Holi as it was the recent festival, and then let it download everything. Now you can see it has given me a URL that I can send to anyone. And so if I go to this URL, I'll see a wishing page. It will ask for my name and my camera access and location access, through which it will store the webcam and the location in a file inside the folder. I'll show you that too. Let's just head to this website. As you can see, the website is very glowy. Sorry, my health is going down a little bit. I'm working too much. Anyways, let's continue. And so if I allow, it will grab my location. It will, as you can see, it has asked for my name and now my webcam. I'll just allow it. And that is how it works. You can see it has saved the webcam, and I'll just stop saying I'm having too much cough. And so that's it for the video, guys, and like and subscribe if you like the tutorial. Next video, I think I'm gonna go set up dark web access, how you can access dark web or securely access dark web actually. Okay, that's all, guys. Sorry. Thank you for watching.